What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So back at the house, I got the drift car, got the daily, just washed the daily. Drift car is all up and running, letting it run. It hasn't been running, I think, like since last week or so. So Julian's here. Basically what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna try to wire up those Mishimoto fans that we got off KJ. So I know that's been a while that I've been waiting on doing that, so we definitely gotta get that done. So now we're just looking for our little relay so we can give you guys a whole to-do on that.
Guys, Jeremy has the main switchboard in there with all his little, like that fancy high-tech fuse panel that all y'all ain't gonna buy, and I know y'all ain't gonna buy it, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to wire up basically any electric fan from any car with regular RL45 relays from AutoZone to a toggle switch. So it's literally simple, easy. Each relay, female and male ends, like $7, $14, and then some wiring. You're gonna probably spend about $40 total for literally toggle switch that you did it yourself.
Oh, all right, so we went out. We got our freaking RL45 connectors. You're gonna have to buy this part and this part. It came up to $14, just like that. And then what he's going to be doing is he's going to be splicing all this in, so he's running a wire. So obviously I'm going for the tuck look, so he was like, where do you want to put your relays? So we're thinking we're going to run it through the heater hose holes where we have here where I've ran all the other wires through. Obviously because I don't need to worry about that. So we're going to mount them up down in here, right up on this stud here. So that's where we're going to put our two relays. I'm planning on making a box here. So I'm actually going to bolt a box up here, and it's going to have all the wires going into that box. So it's going to look a cleaner look, but that's not for now. That's going to be another time. But so we're just going to make sure we have enough slack here, so when we do it, we're just going to be able to put it in this like box and hold everything there.
So when you get the female part, this is how it comes with a yellow wire there, but it also brings the red wire. Jeremy already had this one. He lost the red wire, so we're just going to keep the yellow. Pretty much though, all you're going to want to do is just replace the yellow for the red, just because the red's going to be your power source, so it's going to be easier for you to remember once you have it all installed. Simple and easy. You take one of the little tiny small picks. You guys know the little pick tool that mechanics use. You use that. The tabs in there, it'll slide out and you can slide the red one in. Like I said, it provides the red one with the female. So all you gotta do is literally just pop the yellow out, pop the red back in, crimp them. Then pretty much your blue is gonna be going to the positive on your battery. The white is gonna go to your negative on your battery. Then red is gonna go to the power cable from the fan. Then the black goes straight to basically the black is your ground for your toggle switch. So that's gonna run all the way into the car. Then you're gonna have a positive that's by itself only attached to the toggle switch that goes and runs directly to your battery back. It's a simple setup, easy to do. Like I said, we spend $14, I think it was.
$14
for the male and for the female.
So $14, and then plus your crimp connectors. Like the heat shrink ones. You go to Harbor Freight, that's where I got all mine from, and it's like for 100 it's like $4. So you're looking at like tops $30 for this whole entire thing. Like
yeah, literally.
Yeah. So
I'll be pretty much gonna wire everything up, then I'll show you everything afterwards.
So right now this isn't gonna obviously be the right setup because the fan and all that. He just zip tied them up just to get lengthwise for the rest of my wire, to know pretty much how long I need. Because I'm gonna also, pretty much we want to tuck it to hide it. So both of these are the grounds from each fan. So literally, because we're gonna run two relays, one relay for each fan. So one ground for each fan. Pretty much, I put in the disconnectable links right there. So when we have to take out the fans, we don't have to cut our wires. So like a female and a male prong. So all you do is just pull them off, and we can just pull them out.
So pretty much the ground is gonna go under here. There's a body hole there where we're gonna put a nut, and
so the body hole is right there. It's just really dirty because my power steering is leaking everywhere, but that's where the ground hole is gonna be. So we're just gonna grab a screw and put that in with those two.
So, and then I also have the other two power wires right here. I threw them out through the hole under here.
So that hole where I ran my loom right here from like the underglow and all that. So we're just gonna put these wires in that loom and run it all the way through into the hole back here where we did before. So right back there. So we're actually not going through the heater hose hole. We're actually going through.
We're gonna send power. The power from the relay to the battery is gonna go
through the heater hose.
There, because coming out from the side, we're gonna have to bring it all the way down here and pop it back up. Or actually, no, we could pop it through that hole too.
So he's talking about the hole right here. So this is like where that like the harness goes for like the doors, all this crap.
Well, either or will work. Either one of those holes, either the heater hole or this one, will still basically gonna come bring power back to the battery.
So where he's gonna connect the relays, where he said before, up on there. That's what these wires are for right here. So that's what he's working on now, and then we'll run it to the fan switch on the switchboard.
All right, guys. So.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
That's it. End the video.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
All right, so basically we have everything wired up. They're running to my switchboard.
All right, so both his relays are set up in here. You got both power cables that come from each fan that are coming from the hole in the side right there. Then I have, like I told you guys before, both black wires are going to go to your toggle switch. That's your ground for your toggle switch. So put them into one wire. They're going directly over to Jeremy's toggle switch. Then you have your blues. Your blues go to your positive on the battery. So again, from 2 wires to 1, and then we go straight to the eye hook onto the positive terminal. Same things with the white. From 2 wires to 1, and it goes straight to the eye hook onto the negative terminal though. So pretty much it's simple and easy to install relays on like an electric toggle switch fan setup. Like I told you, the only other thing that we didn't do that I do on my car, but Jeremy has his switchboard powered differently than how I powered mine's. So all his toggle switches are sharing power. So pretty much I didn't have to run a direct power from the toggle switch directly to the battery. But if you didn't have a setup like his, after the 1 wire that goes to the toggle switch, your ground, the 2 black wires that go to the toggle switch as your ground, you're gonna run from your toggle switch on the other ends, because your toggle switch comes with 2 connectors, a positive and negative. You're gonna run it from one connection on the toggle switch directly to the positive on your terminal, just straight direct from toggle switch to there, and that's what's gonna give you your power. Literally, once you flick the switch up, that's your negative's gonna connect with the relay, and then you're gonna get your power. So pretty much it's a quick and easy way to set up a toggle switch. That's that. Pretty much. You got anything else to add?
Nah, man, that's it. Thank you again, Julian. He's, like I said, he came through. I was planning on doing this a while back and get busy. Julian came through. He's like, yo, I just did it on my car, so we're good. So he came through. We did it. It works. So Mishimoto, thank you again. Sick. I can't wait. It's going to keep everything cool. That's all I care about. I don't want this turd to blow up, so at least for right now. But yeah, guys, no, that's it. That's all I got. Buy your merch. I'm going to be dropping the website this week. So get the shirts, decals, all that jazz. So if anything, just send me a DM on Instagram at Z-Bruhz, or on his Facebook page, or even Z-Bruhz channel at gmail.com, and we can get that stuff out to you. Thanks for all the support, guys. Stay cool. It's been hot out here, and you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.